Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new Toyota Dual-Fuel Pneumatic Forklift, model number 8FGU25. Now this forklift is here. It is in stock and it is ready for immediate delivery, so if you have any questions, give us a call right away. It has a base capacity of 5,000 pounds and it runs on dual fuel, so in this case that's gasoline and LP. And you'll see here that it has four-way hydraulics. This fourth function here is an open function, so you can use that for whatever you might need it for. And you'll see here that we have that automatic tilt level button that Toyota is famous for. While we're on this side, I'll show you that we have this paper clip as well as a cup holder. Now coming up to the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 189 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. Now this forklift will come with your choice of 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. And the tires are black traction, solid pneumatic tires. And coming up here to the front, we have these ultra bright LED headlights. And coming inside of the cab, we have a lot of great safety features here, including those dual rear view mirrors, a steering wheel knob, and a fully adjustable steering column. We have a full suspension seat that adjusts in all sorts of ways, including with your suspension, with your tilt forward and backward, and of course we have that orange high visibility safety belt here as well. Now on that back pillar, we have that rear pillar handle with the horn that keeps a horn at your operator's thumb even when they're backing up. And on the back we have lots of great lights, including those combination lights that show your brakes as well as your turn signals, and you'll see the backup light and hear the backup alarm as well. And of course we have that yellow strobe. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions, or you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.